These are very important, the valvular area. So number one, see there is one mnemonic by osmosis, that is epitomen. So you can just follow your this thing, it doesn't matter, you have to follow this mnemonic. But see, first of all, rather than following mnemonic, if you remember the anatomy, okay, simple anatomy of heart, it becomes easy. So let me draw a heart over here. So something like this, right atrium, then this is my ventricle, and this is my ventricle, this is the left atrium, and this is the right atrium. Okay, hope this is clear for you. Okay, now here I have got one mitral valve, and here I have got some tricuspid valve, and here from aorta is going on, so here I have aortic valve. So if you see, from the ventricle, when blood is going like this, it is striking over here, so this area should be known as aortic valve. Okay, now if I draw my pulmonary area, so that will be the pulmonary value, artery will be going like, pulmonary veins will be going like this, so pulmonary artery is going like this, and here there will be pulmonary valve area. So let me be very clear, just you remember the anatomy. I'm removing all this. Number one, look over here, number one is your aortic area, because the aortic valve is somewhere near there. Number two is pulmonary area. Then number five is what? Your apex, that is the mitral area. Okay, because look over here, from this mitral valve in this heart, the sound is carried away in this direction. Okay, whenever they are closing, the sound is direction over this direction. So that is what this is the mitral area. The number four is tricuspid area, and before that, this is important, Erb's point. Okay, some may even call at neo-aortic area. So this has been asked, neo-aortic area lies where? Okay, so you remember, this is your sternum, this is your second intercostal space, this is your second intercostal space, then this is your third intercostal, and this is your fifth intercostal space. So remember which are the areas of heart sound, right?